Hello from Östnora Havsbad in Haninge municipality. Yes, it is 20th of July 2024 and it is time for beach day number 99 on my Sweden beach adventures. Now this is a huge beach that's a bit sandy, mostly green area. As well, there are two jetties out on the sea. So the water is very shallow on the sandy beach, and there is quite a lot of people on this Saturday here in Stockholm. We have 24 degrees Celsius in the air, and it is only 16 degrees Celsius in the sea. So I'm gonna be using the jetty today to take a swim. And I remember I was here yesterday, not yesterday, but last year on my beach day number 100. But this year I'm here on beach day number 99. Last year it was completely empty, the beach. And today it's quite crowded because it is 24 degrees Celsius and it is a weekend. So Östnora, as I mentioned, is a beach in Haninge. You can get here by public transport, obviously. So first you need to take the pendeltåg train to Haninge from the Stockholm City Central Station. And then there is a bus that goes every 2 hours to Östnora. And the bus ride is only 10 minutes, but the train ride is around 40 minutes probably from central Stockholm. So yes, then it is time to take a swim and jump here at Östnora Havsbad. As you can see the sandy beach and also this jetty over here, and there is different depth in the water. Right here is just below 2 meters, and over there it's like you can barely walk, it's below the knees. Amazing. So let's then get ready to jump. All right. It says that diving is forbidden, but that won't stop me from a dive for sure. So now the wind is a bit low. So yeah, let's then get ready for the jump. All right. Ready, set, go. I jumped here. It is 3.5 meters depth, and it was quite amazing. But the water is freezing. It's 16 degrees Celsius in the sea, so yeah, but it was quite nice. So this is the jetty, and it is not so crowded, the jetty, compared to the beach. I can see thousands of people on the beach. Okay, maybe that's overestimation, maybe around 200, but it's quite a huge beach. And good thing is that this beach is not as popular as Östnora Havsbad. It's also in Haninge. And when I was waiting for the bus, the two buses came together, the one that goes to Havsbad and to Östnora. So 8:46 was super crowded. There are many people going to the beach. But Östnora Havsbad is also a bit better beach. I have been there already this year, and I'm gonna go there once again soon. Östnora, it's not so many people coming here by public transport because it is not so convenient. Every 2 hours there is only a bus. You can come here with a car, obviously, or with a bicycle as well. So yeah, then I'm gonna leave you with some nice views of Östnora Havsbad, actually the sea here at Östnora. And Östnora means in translation east-north because the beach is facing. northeast there. Right. So amazing. Sunny Saturday in Stockholm, Haninge to be more exact, with 24 degrees and beach number 99. I'm gonna be chilling here today and enjoy a nice swim this beautiful day. So thank you so much for watching this episode with me from Östnora Havsbad, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel. Beach adventure.